Hey, it's Star White here. Today we're going to be looking at the 10K cash system, and after we get done doing that, we're going to go over here and go into the main page and see how this really works. It says copy and paste our exact methods to generate 10,000K per month from affiliate marketing without ads, without being on camera, and without subscribers. And then we're going to read down here a little further. The fastest results you've ever seen, virtual unknown brand new method, full training, set and forget all pilot commissions generating system working flawlessly in 2022 and beyond. Experience freedom, get results, or we'll give you every penny back with a smile. So that is a really great guarantee right there. And I know you've heard all this hype before, but we're going to go over here and look at the dashboard, and this is what's in here. And the reason that I came into the dashboard right away is because the most important thing on this dashboard you're going to want to go through is shaping your mindset. It is the most important thing of this whole program. And the whole point of making money is if you stick to it. So back over here, we're going to go back through the sales page some more. Click on a button below to claim your spot, of course, first 50 people, regular price, and you're going to get a big, huge discount. Now, a lot of these, you see that these people are not real. Well, these people, I went and followed these down. These are real testimonials of people that made real money with this system. These are not fake people, so this is true. And these people actually made money using this. They stuck with it and learned how to do it. So this is really new and something that this is true. This is nothing like you've ever seen before. I went through it. This is really, really a great program. And no expensive methods, no chat box, no Google ads, no time-consuming methods, no Facebook ads, no Bing ads, no spamming social media, no videos. You don't even have to make your own videos to make money with this. Step one, you just pick your offer that they give you to pick from to get approval. They'll show you completely effortless method, getting unlimited targeted traffic. Enjoy the cash breakout and sit back and enjoy the fruit. So like I said, this is really an easy program, and it's an easy way to learn, and this is an actual earning shot, and this is all proof too. They actually did use this program to make this money. So let's go ahead and look at this dashboard over here at 10K Cash System. The introduction is really great. Many people have a hard time believing that this is possible to make 10,000 per month after only 90 days. If you're one of these people, then consider this. What if the difference between these people and the majority? The difference between these people and the majority is these people want to make money. They're not lazy. Excuse me, I don't think everybody out there is lazy, but a lot of them are. They think that you can push a button and make money. No, that's not how it happens. You have to work at this to earn money. And these people took action and followed through the plan, and they're making money. This is not a miracle to make 10,000 a month by clicking a couple of buttons on your computer method. So they're honest with you about it. And I really like that they're honest with you about it. But the most important thing I said is shaping your mindset. This is really, I can't show you this because that is part of the program. I'd love to show you this because it is really a great, set you into what you need to know to make money and to get your head straight and to stay in line and that you can do it and to focus and that you have to stick with it. And then the passive income model, it shows you how you're going to make passive income all the time and how to build your email list the correct way. The people that actually buy for you, just not people that are tire kickers or whatever, that really aren't interested in what anything you're selling. The 10, the math for 10K per month. So they show you how to figure that out and how you can develop this. Developing your landing page plan, which is a big deal. You have to have good landing pages and a plan to use your landing pages to build the correct people to buy from you. Creating the right image. That's very important. A lot of people, if you create an image that isn't interesting or doesn't go with what you're actually promoting, it doesn't do anything to get traffic to it because they're not interested in that, and then you just wasted people coming there. They're not interested in that anyway. So this is very important, creating the first image that you need. Setting up your sales funnel, which is very important. Of course, you're going to make more money when you learn how to set up your sales funnel the correct way. Your traffic plan, and your traffic plan is seriously important because traffic is the lifeblood of your business here, so that's really, really important. Promoting offers to your list, how to promote your offers to your list the correct way so that they want to buy you and they trust you and they care about you. And leveraging your list is how to use your list to your best advantage. They teach you all that, and then of course there's the conclusion. And like I said, it's a very simple dashboard, but it works. And the support's right here, so if you have any problems, you can just go right here, there, and click that. and of course valuable upgrades, which I also could show you, but they sent you a lot of valuable upgrades here on this. So if it was me, I'd go ahead and get this. It's a great program. It will help you out if you're learning to make money online. Yes, you can make 10K a month online, and this is really a great way, the easy way to learn how to do that step by step. And they give you all the tools to do that with. And it's evergreen, so it'll work for forever, and it doesn't get any easier than this, people. So if I was you, in my opinion, it's a great program, and I'll see you there. So thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.
Hard time believing that it is possible